A big part of getting your lawn ready for the 2025 season is soil testing. So I just went out and took samples of 10 or 12 spots throughout my entire lawn, 8 or 9 or so in the back and then along the front and then along the side, and got them all in the box here. And you can see that is a sample of my soil. That represents the entire lawn. So all I'm going to do now is take a scoop of this, throw it in the ion exchange resin, and we'll send this out for analysis. So just a couple of good scoops here. That. And I'm going to do one more. About like so. That should be it. Cap it off. A bit cold out. And then that will go in the envelope and mailed out. The nice folks at My Soil. Pretty easy, right? So what I'd expect is about a week from now, 7 days or so from now, I should get an email with my results. On the bottle is a serial number, and I have the card inside, so I'll just go inside and register it, add it to my already existing profile of soil tests that I've done, and then I'll know exactly what state the soil is in, getting ready for this season, which is really good. So soil testing, a soil test kit is like $30. It's probably some of the best money you'll spend in your lawn care program. So highly recommend you guys go out and get one done. The one that I use is from My Soil, but there's some other soil test kit that you guys like to use, or some other lab you can use for analysis. Do that. The most important thing is that you use the same one every time so that your results are consistent, so you're comparing like data. I've been using My Soil for a number of years, so that's what I'm going to continue doing. Again, hopefully you guys enjoyed this short video. I'm going to get this in the mail, and let's hope for a really good season this year. See you guys.